Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Subaru Stu here, back with another video for you, and back with another product from A New Auto. I got some awesome shadow lights. They're gonna shine Subaru on the ground when you open up the door. All the products I've got from A New Auto have been awesome. Still love everything I've got. In this package, it gives you everything you need. The 2 lights, electrical tape. He even gives you the hole saw to drill out the bottom of the door. Basically, you just unscrew this. You got 2 lock nuts, so prevent it from spinning over time or anything. Double lock it. You'll take your hole saw, drill out the bottom of the door where you want it, stick that in there. So basically this little 1/8 inch thing will stick out underneath your door, which you got plenty of room under there. Just make sure on your vehicle that you put it in a spot where it's not going to hit your bottom door sill. Gives you the hole saw, which is perfect size. Drill that out, stick it through your door, and then hardwire it right into whatever you got. I already have some lights from A New Auto that I got in my door handles there. So I'm just gonna splice into that. I already did it on this side, you see there. It's pretty bright in my garage, but it still, you can read it clear as day. Door sills I also got from him. And then my cup holders, any vibration or anything, they'll set them off. If you set something down on them, it turns them on, and then it automatically turns off after like 15 seconds, I think it is. But those have 17 different modes. Those are awesome as well. Door sills, door handle lights, and now my shadow lights. So I already did this side, so I'm a pro at it. I will do the other side on the video. Like I said, some vehicles may be different. Like ours on the Subaru Crosstreks, we don't have any door lights like pretty much every other vehicle does. I don't know why we don't on this. But normally you could just splice right into the door light that's there. I actually hardwired all these into my dome light. So now I'm just going to splice into the wire that I already ran for my door handle light there. But if you want to see how I did splice into my dome light on the Subaru Crosstrek, check out my other video on the door sills. That's where I did it originally. But if you got the door light, that's an easy place to get power from. Or you can hook it up to a switch even off the battery. Every vehicle may be a little bit different, but I'll show you on this one. Alright, so let's start taking this door apart here. I just got 2 screws here I need to pop out. Just got to remove this little plastic cap. And then one behind my door handle. Just got to pop that little piece out here that I got my door handle light connected to with the Phillips bit. Take both of them out. And then the rest are just pressure clips. Get your hand behind there and just start pulling straight out. And then lift her up, and she's free. So here's my wire I already ran for my door handle light. So I'm just going to splice right into that. I just got a couple quick splice connectors. They got one open side, and then one side that goes all the way through. So you just slide your existing wire right in the end there, and then you stick your new wire halfway into this other hole. Push this down and that will splice them together. Quick and easy. And then since I already did the other side, I know where to put these lights down here at the bottom. So I'm pretty much like right at the end there. But I also have a little flange in this little flange here in the inside, if you can see that, where I kind of lined it up, so I have a quick little reference to get it in the exact same spot on this side. So I'm just going to take my hole saw he provided, and the drill, line that up with that right in the center of the door. Perfect hole, just like that. So now we got our hole in there. We're just going to take our light and our two little lock rings. Stick your wire in there, pull it all the way through. As you see, it's already got a built-in fuse, so if you do something wrong, that fuse is going to pop before it pops your actual fuse or messes with your vehicle at all. Then I'm just going to slide both my lock rings onto the wire, come behind the door, and just screw them both on there. So now we got our existing power right here and our new wire coming up here, black and red, and that attach the black to the black, the white to the red. Just got to separate these two here. Take our splice connector, slide that right on the existing wire, and then stick your new wire in the other hole halfway through, crimp her down, and that should send the power to the new one. Got a little cover there so it doesn't arc out on something. Take your new white, slide it in the end here, stick your red in the other hole, take a pliers, crimp her down, and that's all there is to her. Now you just gotta hang your door with these Crosstrek. At least I can get the top of my door where it needs to be hanging. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but I can see it is pretty lined up well. I kind of want it in a 90-degree pattern when I open my door. But if it's not, you just reach up in there, loosen your bolts a little bit and give her a turn, or your nuts. Turn it whatever way you want. So I'm going to hold that back down, tighten it up a little bit so she can't move. Just like that. I just got to line my push pins back up and click them in. Push your door back in. Take your two screws, Screw them back in. Now you can put your little door handle piece back in. Mine's got the light attached to it, so open her back up. Now you got the Subaru logo there, along with all my other awesome products from New Auto. Check them out. Link in the description below. Let me turn off the lights here and get an actual look of what they look like in the night time. And there you have it. First time to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos. Check out a New Auto for all your LED interior, exterior Jeep off-roading lights. They make all sorts of stuff. Check them out. Tell them I sent you. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, check out other videos. Until next time, stay safe, keep on trekking.